Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to launch a PostgreSQL. So just search for a PG admin, you'll get an interface like this. Just double click on our servers and go and select a PostgreSQL 18. Okay, so it is expecting password from you. Just enter it. Okay, done. So now, since you created it for the first time, databases might be empty, like you don't see any databases. Just right click on our database, click on our create and click on our database so that you can actually create a database. Just create a database with a name e-commerce data and let me just save it. So it's already there. I'll just call it like e-commerce data one. Okay, done. Created. Just close it and then try to refresh once. Right click on your database and refresh. You'll be able to see the e-commerce database which we created just now. I hope you can see. Yeah, e-commerce data one. So now what you have to do now, just right click on that e-commerce data one, whatever you created, just launch a new query tool. And basically I have given a data and resources. So what do people have to do? You just need to copy that because I'm using the Superstore sales data. So I hope you can clearly see this. So from this document, yeah, this is the Superstore sales data document. So just copy this entire data, Control A for selecting, Control C for copying. Then just switch to your PostgreSQL and just paste here. So once you paste it, just select entire script and just click on execute the script. Okay, done. So then again launch a new query tool and you can just write select asterisk from. The table name is basically the Superstore sales. You can select the query and you can just click on this play button, which is an execute script. Okay, done. So this is how you're gonna use a SQL interface. I hope it's clear. So the same data set we'll be using for DQL to query with Superstore sales. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.